Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make this commercial glass bottle into an aquarium. First things first, we got to take the label off. I'm going to show you how to do it. So in order to take the label off nice and clean, first thing you got to do is put some boiling water in here. Just enough to cover the label. Now we're going to let this sit here for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now it's been about 15 minutes, and the next thing I'm going to do is dump this boiling water out and slowly take this label off. Now this bottle is really hot, so I am going to put some gloves on just to make my life easier to be able to get the job done. Now we want to be very careful and slow. Bang, there you go. I'm going to take this little plastic ring out while it's all hot and flexible. And now let me show you how to get this gooey mess out of here. Now all you need to get the sticker residue out of here is a little bit of baking soda and a tiny bit of oil. Doesn't matter what kind of oil. I'm using peanut oil just because I have a lot of it. And now we have to mix this really well. And now we got this nice little thick paste here. It should kind of look like a cinnamon roll glazing. And we're gonna put this all over this bottle. I like to dump it out like this first. And then you gotta rub it in as well as you can. Now we're going to take this to the sink, use a sponge, and scrub it with soap and water. Now here is my beloved dirty sink. Just how I like it when I'm doing dirty things like this. And here's a sponge. I'm going to put a little bit of soap on there. You want to be careful with putting the soap inside the bottle. I mean, a little bit's going to get in there, but we don't want to go crazy with it because we are going to try to put plants and animals in there. Gonna rinse it really well with hot water. Because there is oil on here that we got to get off now too. And there you have it. Now in the making of this video, I did make two. So now let's get to the fun part. Now the next thing I want to do is fill these bottles up with dirt from my vivarium. Now there's all kinds of life and microbes in here, so I do want to add some at the base of the bottles just to give it some nutrients. I'm just going to go here in the corner a little bit. One handful. Don't want to add too much moss in there. There we go. About 2 little pinches. Do the same with the other bottle. Now I am going to take some water and gravel from my downstairs planted aquarium. I am also going to take a little bit of this Anubias. I got so much in here, it won't hurt. Now I am going to place these right here and let them clear up for a day. See what happens. And now here's our jar tanks after 24 hours. I'm going to add this duckweed in here.